Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Walter, an author of Recovering from Mental Illness blog at HealthyPlace. Today, I'd like us to talk about the important aspects of rebuilding finances after overcoming gambling addiction based on my own recovery journey. The first aspect that I would like us to talk about is budgeting. Creating a budget wasn't just a step I took. It was a lifeline. It helped me navigate my spending decisions, providing a clear roadmap to financial stability. But sticking to it wasn't easy. I faced challenges, moments of temptation, but with determination and discipline, I overcame them. Budgeting gave me clarity, accountability, and ultimately control over my finances. The next step I would like to talk about is debt repayment. Actually, it was doubting for me to look at the debts that I had accumulated during my gambling days. Prioritizing debt repayment was essential. I adopted strategies like the debt avalanche method, where I paid off the high interest debts first, then I continued tackling the rest. It wasn't always smooth sailing, that's what I can say. There were setbacks, doubts, but I persisted. With each payment, I felt a weight lifting off my shoulder and edging closer to financial stability, and that was all that mattered. The last step I would like to talk about is building an emergency fund. Saving for unexpected expenses was a game changer. It wasn't easy sacrificing immediate wants for future security, but what I can say is it was worth it. Having that safety net meant peace of mind. It was a buffer against my financial crisis, allowing me to face challenges without resorting further into debt. In conclusion, what I can say is these three pillars, budgeting, debt repayment, and building an emergency fund, were instrumental in my journey to financial recovery. There weren't just steps, there were transformations. With determination, discipline, and the right strategies, you too or your loved one can reclaim control over your finances and pave the way for a brighter future. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.